This is the 2024 Kia EV9 Long Range All-Wheel Drive GT-Line. This one has every possible package. The EPA range is 270 miles. Starting things off, let's take a look under the hood. Here's your charger. Then I'll come back around. I'll show you guys how much trunk space we have once I put these seats down. Seats got the Meridian surround sound. Pretty neat. USB-C's right here, both sides. Here are the rear seats. Right. Put these down. Yep. And look at that, a whole lot of room now. Nice. Show you guys the front. Again with the Meridian surround. Got your steering wheel warmer, ventilated seats and seat warmers. A whole lot of options here. All right, let me show you guys the cameras. Pretty cool. There's your wireless phone charger right there. You also have that heads-up display. See if you guys can get a good look. Nice. Cool. This doubles as a rearview mirror and a camera. Pretty neat. Well, all right, you guys, there you have it. That's our 2024 Kia EV9 Long Range GT-Line All-Wheel Drive. Nice.